My name is Jimmy Robinson, and I've had the pleasure of working with Remodel Republic to redesign and redevelop our bathroom, and they have done a terrific job. It was a very quick and easy process. They had all of the materials that we were looking for in-house, and we didn't have to go and search for those things around town. And so it's been a very gratifying relationship that we've had with them. And we're so thankful that it's finally done. And we are enjoying it now. Thank you.